Keep it moving, straight through. Looking good, they're lined up. Hold steady, almost done. Got it, ID is 00123, all set, truck's here. Easy now, keep them steady. Up the ramp, good boys, almost there, settle in. Latch is locked, checking safety bars. Wheels and lights clear, no issues. Good work, I'm heading in. Another shipment heading to the leather facility, big production day today.
Transport Unit 14, confirmed delivery route to the Horn Leather Processing Plant. Confirmed arrival in 20 minutes.
There it is, the largest horn leather facility in the region.
Another livestock transport arriving. Prepare the inspection bay.
Delivery identification, please. Black bullhorn shipment from Desert Ranch Sector 4.
Transport unit cleared. Direct them to the livestock unloading zone. Guide the livestock truck to Dock 3.
Dock 3 ready for unloading. Slow down, keep coming, perfect alignment. Truck secured. All right, team, move them calmly toward the inspection hall. Inspection line is ready.
This is where raw animal materials begin their transformation into high-value luxury leather products.
Move them slowly, keep the line steady. Inspection hall is ready inside.
Before any processing begins, strict inspection and quality control take place.
Record the shipment. Check health condition and horn quality.
Horn structure looks strong. Mark this one for premium processing.
Tracking number confirmed. Send this batch to the preparation unit.
From this point, the horns and hides will enter specialized processing lines.
Start the cleaning and preparation systems. Systems powering on. Cleaning systems ready. Begin phase 1 processing. Increase water pressure. We need a full surface clean. Pressure at 90%. Washing cycle started.
Industrial washing removes contaminants before precise processing begins.
Brush system steady. Hides are moving clean. Send them toward inspection. Mark this horn batch for luxury grade processing.
Sorting system separating premium horns from standard material.
Secure the horns. Polishing machines are starting. Leather thickness confirmed. Premium batch approved. Prepare the treatment solution. Processing begins now.
This stage prepares raw materials for their transformation into luxury leather and horn products.
Clean cut confirmed. Send pieces to shaping. Blade speed stable. Starting horn section cutting. Maintain precision. Luxury grade material only. Heat level steady. Horn material softening.
Heat treatment prepares the horn for precision shaping.
Pressure applied. Shaping cycle running.
Tanning cycle initiated. 12-hour rotation. Drying tunnel temperature stable. Leather texture looks perfect. Surface smooth, ready for finishing stage.
At this stage, raw materials become premium components ready for luxury manufacturing.
Polishing wheels active. Surface gloss forming. Maintain steady pressure. Luxury grade finish required. Surface clarity confirmed. Send to shaping line. CNC alignment perfect. Components forming. Color saturation perfect across the sheet. Humidity stable. Leather curing correctly. Pattern alignment confirmed. Cutting begins. Horn and leather components ready for finishing. Horn and leather components ready for finishing.
Protective coating applied evenly. Now the materials enter the heart of the factory, advanced automation. Automation line online, assembly sequence starting. Maintain production speed at standard capacity. Grip alignment stable, horn components transferring perfectly. Laser engraving depth calibrated. AI scan complete, quality within luxury standards.
Reject line active. Approved units continue forward.
Final polish applied, surface shine perfect.
Quality verified, ready for finishing line.
Production running at full efficiency.
Send these to final finishing and packaging. Final polish applied. The horn shine looks perfect. Finishing line ready. Begin final detailing. Stitch lines are flawless, ready for branding.
Brand seal complete.
Each item packed for luxury export.
Batch count verified, ready for pallet loading. Pallet ready for warehouse storage. Prepare this shipment for global markets. And this is how modern factories produce luxury horn leather goods from start to finish.